Honestly, I'm not sure. It's the way I look at it is how we all initially reacted to, online stuff, and we said that will digital replace print? Has it though? It's it's become like a synergistic relationship, right? You have online and digital, and you also have print. Like, for example, I don't know, this is just laying here, so I'm saying this is printed, right? This is printed, it's a box, it's a physical product. So yeah, there's print. That's branding, identification. And online also you'll have the product listed and features and whatever. Online you can show a video of the product being used. So these are two different use cases. So I feel that it's going to be the same with AI. The use case is different. For example, whenever I've used AI, it's been for, I've written something, right? And I've put it into Chat GPT and said, can you clean this up, make it tighter, create better structure, or things like that. But the original thought was mine, right? AI is, from my understanding, AI is an amalgamation of human thought, ideas, and the things that we have already done. It's for example, if you want to use Midjourney, it's converting my imagination into visuals. But it's the kind of prompts you give it that depends on my imagination. So essentially it is still coming from me. Now when it comes specifically to photography, I don't know, to some extent, yeah, like if you have a product and you want to do product shots and you want a specific kind of background, so you can write a prompt like, okay, here's the product. So you have someone to photograph that product, right? Your specific product that you have created, which you now want it on a different background, or you want a stylized shot. So you still have to photograph the product, or maybe do a 3D scan of the product and put it into AI and then say, okay, here this is, and now this is what I want. So it's just that kind of shoot. Yes, probably, maybe, I don't know how good you are with your prompts, it depends. So it opens up this avenue for human beings who are talented at prompt writing, for example. And even then, like, that's with the product, but how about having a human interacting with the product? So what are the kind of inputs you need to put in? Again, prompt writing, it's like a new job that no one probably ever considered before this. Or, there's an event that needs to be photographed that will require a human being to take photographs of the event. Because even if you want to enhance it by using AI, you will still need the initial photographs. Okay, fine, someone has a drone and you take photographs with the drone, and that's also possible. But I don't see it as a complete replacement. I just feel that it's coming together. AI provides you more options and things like that. I'm not really sure about graphic design, but again, there is original human thought there, which you then feed into AI and hope for an output. And it really depends on a case-by-case basis. Same with styling. Like, I can go to AI and I can, take photographs of all my clothes, and I can say that, okay, these are all the garments that I have. Now, how do I put a look together? This is what my body looks like. And yeah, sure, like, the AI will give you suggestions based on something that it has trawled the internet for, and it's seen all the styling photographs of, and it's seen, or you can say that, look at celebrity styling and tell me what can I do, and and it'll give you some suggestions, and then you look at those suggestions and then you pick and choose. So I feel like the biggest element that is missing from AI is discernment, which human beings have that capability and the capacity for discernment, which I don't think AI does. AI is dependent on us, essentially. But yeah, replacement is like, how does that even work? I don't think that anything is going to get like replaced per se, especially in the creative fields and art and stuff. And yeah, does that make sense?